it's good to be self-employed because the world is changing. Being self-employed doesn't mean that we never went to school. We really went to school. For me, I went to a university and I'm quite educated. But going to university doesn't guarantee you financial success. Instead, you will be used. People will take advantage of you and not even pay you a proper salary that can sustain your life well. So be self-employed, hustle, and just live your life. Learn Forex, trade Forex, be profitable in Forex, make YouTube content, start a YouTube channels, and just let God do its magic. So I hustle and I make my money as someone living in the slum. So I urge you there, go out and hustle.